Industrial sewing machines are designed to handle heavy-duty sewing tasks with ease, making them indispensable in factories, workshops, and production lines around the world. With their robust construction and high-speed stitching capabilities, these machines are capable of sewing through multiple layers of fabric, leather, and even upholstery materials. From straight stitch machines and overlock machines to cover stitch machines and walking foot machines, there's a wide variety of industrial sewing machines to suit different sewing needs and applications. Each type of machine is specialized for specific tasks, ensuring maximum efficiency and quality in production. Industrial sewing machines boast features such as adjustable stitch length, automatic thread trimming, and built-in needle positioning, allowing for precise control and customization of stitches. Many machines also come equipped with powerful motors and large workspaces to accommodate bulky fabrics and projects. Whether it's garment manufacturing, automotive upholstery, sailmaking, or furniture production, industrial sewing machines play a vital role in bringing creative visions to life. Their reliability, speed, and versatility make them indispensable tools for professionals and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, industrial sewing machines are the backbone of the textile industry, powering the creation of everything from clothing and accessories to home furnishings and automotive interiors. Their efficiency, reliability, and precision make them essential tools for anyone passionate about sewing and craftsmanship. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you.